And there's some breaking update that we are getting for you at this point in time, and this one is also from the national capital. We are being told that Cabinet Minister Gopal Rai had a meeting with the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in Tihar jail, and some orders have been issued by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. That's what we are learning, and the order is that Cabinet Minister Atishi is going to hoist the national flag on 15th of August. Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast. So more on this, Tejshri, we have seen earlier news coming that a letter was written by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal proposing Atishi's name, but now it seems after letter could not be delivered, the orders have come via Gopal Rai, the cabinet minister.
Well, you see, a number of things have been happening as far as the flag hoisting in the national capital is concerned. Remember that first via sources, Aam Aadmi Party has released a source-based information in which they mentioned that Arvind Kejriwal had written to LG where he requested that Atishi would be hoisting the flag. Then our sources from Tihar jail told that no such letter can be written by Arvind Kejriwal because he is lodged in Tihar jail, and that he can write only the letters to his family members, and that letter is invalid and could not reach to the destination where he wants to. Now again the question was who will be hoisting the flag. Now here comes another letter by one of the cabinet ministers of Aam Aadmi Party, that is Gopal Rai. He in fact met Arvind Kejriwal today in Tihar jail, and after meeting he had issued an order to General Administration Department of which he is himself the minister, and in fact he has given instruction to start the preparations where Atishi will be hoisting the flag, and in fact he has also conveyed the message that he met Arvind Kejriwal in Tihar jail today, and then after having a discussion they went this conclusion was drawn that Atishi will be hoisting the flag, and that is why he has written this particular letter to the GAD. Now again we'll have to see that how political controversy erupts over this, because when Arvind Kejriwal had written a letter, that time also BJP had raised several questions so as to why Atishi will be hoisting the flag, with what capacity, apart just from being one of the minister.
Right.
She holds no position apart from being the minister and being the closest state is what BJP was questioning. And then we saw the letter from Tihar jail also of the superintendent, where it clearly mentioned that the letter was invalid.
Right.
And now here is the another letter. But yes, we'll have to see that what actually happens on 15th of August. Back to you.
All right, Tejshri, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. We'll keep tracking this story with you ahead as well. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break, but there's lots lined up for you on the other side as well. Don't go anywhere.